Hello, guys. Welcome back to the Dirt Right Tech channel, where I take you through everything tech. That we're talking about softwares, hardwares, anything that has to do with iPhones, Samsungs. Just ask in the comment section, and then I'll hop on there, show you what you can do. But don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button if you're new here, and then let's go. So in today's video, we're basically talking about how you can hop online and then just edit your photos online without the necessity of downloading Adobe Photoshop onto your phone or onto your PC. So this is an alternative online that you can use. I'll drop the link to the site in the description below. So let's look at my screen. So once you're in Google, you're just going to type photo peer, and then you're in. Once you're here, you can just click on the first option you see. This is a boom. You can come to the top right corner here, click on this, and then you get a cast save or share where you can have that as part of it. Right now, I have already clicked on it. You should find the shortcut option here where once you click on it, you're going to get the opportunity to have it here in your desktop. Okay. And then it's going to open in your a PC like this. You can have it big or small. I'll just show you an example. Just like in Photoshop, you can click on this and then open a new image. If that's what you want to do, you can open a new image like that, and then you work. So instead of you going to download the whole Photoshop before you do your whole editing for photos, you can do it online using this tool. Yeah, you can do everything that you can do on in Photoshop here. Talk about the image editing, transforms and everything. You can do the very same thing here. It is a Photoshop, but an online variant of it. You're thinking of using selection tools. You can always use like the magic wand. You can use all of them. Quick select. All those can be used in this. So that's the topic for today, and how you can go online, edit from online, get Photoshop online for free. Has it got some few? Um, has it got few hiccups here and there? Yes, you need an account to just click. You need an account and a paid account at that to come to, let's say, select and then just click on removal or background. That's not going to work because you need to pay a premium to be able to get that to work. Okay. So an example like I'm showing you here is remove background. You're going to be told that you need to pay something for it. So take note of that. And basically that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If there's a content idea, if there's a question, something you want me to tackle, something you don't understand, drop it in the comment section. I do value you, my viewers, and what you want to really know. So drop it in the comment section and I'll jump into it, research into it if I don't know it, and then come out with the video that would fit you. Thank you all very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.